Ever receive an email that just feels off? You know the kind. It might have a familiar logo, like your bank or a service you use, but something about the message makes you furrow your brow. Maybe the urgency feels forced, or the grammar seems a little wonky. Here's the thing, that feeling could be saving you from a scam. Today, we're diving deep into the world of fake Zelle emails. Zelle, the popular money transfer service, is a prime target for scammers because of its ease and speed. But with a little know-how, you can spot these fishers a mile away and keep your hard-earned cash safe. So, settle in, grab a cup of coffee, or your favorite beverage, because we're about to dissect these deceptive emails and equip you with the knowledge to fight back. First things first, what exactly is a phishing scam? In a nutshell, it's when someone tries to trick you into revealing personal information, like your login credentials or bank account details. They often do this by mimicking a legitimate company, like Zelle, and sending emails that look real. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What do these fake Zelle emails look like? There are a few red flags to keep an eye out for. Suspicious sender address, this is the biggest giveaway. Zelle only uses email addresses with @zellepay.com or @yourbank.com, where your bank is the actual name of your bank. If you see anything else, like @gmail.com or some random string of characters, hit delete immediately. Sense of urgency, scammers love to pressure you. They might claim your account is compromised, a large payment is pending, or some other time-sensitive event. Don't let this fluster you. Zelle won't pressure you to take immediate action through email. Grammatical errors and typos, professional companies proofread their emails. If the message is riddled with typos and grammatical mistakes, it's a major red flag. Generic greetings, does the email address you as Dear Customer or something equally impersonal? Legitimate companies will typically use your name. Suspicious links, never click on links in an email you suspect is fake. These links could lead to phishing websites designed to steal your information. Requests for personal information, Zelle will never ask for your login credentials or social security number through email. If the email asks for this type of information, it's a scam. Here are a few common fake Zelle email scenarios to watch out for. The You Sent Money scam, this email claims you accidentally sent money to someone. It might even include a fake transaction receipt. The goal? To trick you into clicking a link and entering your login details to cancel the transaction. The account upgrade scam, this email claims you need to upgrade your Zelle account to receive a payment or access new features. There's no such thing as an account upgrade with Zelle. Don't fall for it. The overpayment scam, this email might be from someone selling something online. They accidentally overpay you and ask you to refund the difference. This is a trick to get you to send them your actual selling price. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So, what should you do if you receive a fake Zelle email? Don't click on anything. This includes links and attachments. Report the email to Zelle and your bank. Zelle has a handy reporting tool on their website https://www.zellepay.com/safety-education/fraud-scams-overview. Delete the email. Don't leave it lingering in your inbox. Here's the ultimate takeaway: when it comes to your money, be cautious. If an email raises even a sliver of doubt, err on the side of caution and don't engage. Zelle itself is a secure service, but it's important to be vigilant about the emails you receive claiming to be from them. By being aware of the red flags and common scams, you can protect yourself from falling victim to these deceptive tactics. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe out there.